Hello and welcome to another Recipe Wednesday as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator with Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. I'm so excited to have my friend and coworker Levita helping us today, so I'm going to go ahead and turn things over to her.
Hi, and thank you, Mary Ann, for inviting me today. Today, we will be making tuna fish tacos. I have with me the one-for-one girls today, and today I have
Juju,
thank you,
Alex,
and Alex, and they are going to help me prepare tuna fish tacos. So let's get started. Today, your ingredients that you will need for this recipe will be peach slices, green chilies, red onion chopped finely, fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lime juice, Tabasco sauce, 1 can 5-ounce tuna. You'll need that tuna drained and flaked as we have it here. Thank you, Alex. You will also need 8 whole wheat flour or corn tortillas. Thank you. We also have shredded cheese for garnishment and just for a topper. Thanks, great. Take a close look at all of the ingredients. You'll notice that we have fruits, we have veggies, we also have a food item from the dairy, we have protein, and we also have an item from the grain family. So, let's get started with our directions. The first thing we need to do, which has already been done, is drain the peach slices and the green chilies. Since they have already been drained, we'll start cutting them up into medium pieces. While she's cutting the peaches into medium pieces, I would like for you to also know that peaches will be in season soon, and you can use fresh peaches, you can use frozen peaches, or you can use canned peaches. And today we are using canned peaches. And Juju's going to do a very good demonstration of showing us how to cut our peaches into medium slices. This will be a good time to remind you to always wash your hands before and after meals. You didn't see us wash our hands while preparing the ingredients, but we did carefully wash them. Thank you. Good job, Juju. And now, for our next direction, we will be mixing all of the ingredients in our medium bowl. The first thing we'll do is start with the peaches. Alex, if you'll get the bowl. Very good, girls. Combine the peaches. Next, we will combine the green peppers or green chilies. That's a whole can. Please put the entire can. Good job, girls. 1/4 cup of red onions. Very good. And they were also finely chopped. Our next ingredient will be parsley. Fresh parsley. You can buy the parsley fresh, or you can also get that already prepared dry. You can get dried parsley. Very good. Next, we'll need a squeeze, just a good hard squeeze of our lime juice. Very good. Just squeeze it all over the entire bowl. And our very final ingredient will be the Tabasco sauce. And you will need 1/4 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. Go light, because girls, Tabasco sauce is very, very hot. All of our ingredients have been combined inside of this bowl. And the next thing we'll do is have Alex to mix it for us. And after Alex mix it, the directions ask for you to cover and refrigerate. But we're going to mix ours, and then we're going to cover and sit it aside, just sit it to the side. Now it's time to fill our tortillas with the flaked tuna. And you can get tuna in oil or you can get it in the water. And this was in water and we drained it. Next, after you finish filling it with the tuna, you can top it with our peach salsa. Very good. And just put your salsa on top just as if you would be doing if it was tomato salsa. Next, we'll let Juju add some salsa to her flaked tuna. While she's adding her peach salsa to her tuna, I would like to also tell you, you can use other garnishes. You can use shredded cabbages. You can use lettuce on top. And we also have cheese for a topping. That's looking really good, Alex. Now we'll give Juju some cheese. She can add some to hers. Yours is looking really good too. And again, as I said, one taco would give you a serving from each of the food groups. And so now we're going to do our favorite part, and that's eat. Yes. How about trying them, girls? Let's try our tuna fish tacos. How is it, Alex? Great. Good job, Juju. Good job. There you have it. Tuna fish tacos. Easy peasy. Thank you for joining us. And again, if you would like this recipe, you can find it on our Pemiscot County 4-H Facebook page. Thank you.
Bye.